Have you heard about the upcoming release of Murder Drones Episode 8? The anticipation for this highly anticipated episode is reaching new heights, and it's not hard to see why. With its unique blend of humor, drama, and sci-fi elements, this show has captured the hearts of many fans. But what's even more exciting is the fact that one of the lead voice actors has hinted at the release date, which has sparked a frenzy of excitement among fans. As someone who's been following the journey of Murder Drones from the very beginning, I can say that this show has exceeded all expectations. From the talented cast to the innovative storylines, every aspect of this series have been crafted with care and attention to detail. And now, with just a few short weeks until the release of Episode 8, fans are eagerly awaiting what's in store. In case you haven't watched Murder Drones yet, let me give you a quick rundown of what you can expect. This show tells the story of a colony of worker bees living on a distant planet where all of human residents perished due to a massive planetary disaster. As the only surviving members of their species, these bees must navigate a world filled with danger and uncertainty while trying to find a way back home. The anticipation for Episode 8 is palpable, and fans are eager to see. New twists and turns await them in the latest installment. With the release date still unknown, fans are left to speculate and wait patiently for more details to be revealed. In the meantime, if you're a fan of Murder Drones or simply love sci-fi shows in general, I encourage you to tune in and watch this incredible series. Trust me, it's worth the wait. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button while you're at it. And before we wrap up, I have one last request. Please share this article with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about Murder Drones and help make this show even more special than it already is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more updates on Murder Drones Episode 8.